Guys, don't shut the computer after screen recording. It corrupts the file. But it doesn't when you use the camera. So, I can't there's a video I can't post now. So sorry. It's my fault. I'm sorry. I could buy a Turkish van. No, not the Turkish van. I can't even buy that at all. I could buy an exotic short, but not anymore. I already bought it. There's that one. Ah! Oh! Sorry, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Now, if I just have an even amount, I need to get rid of you. Oh, let's not count that one. I want to be included. This is for a test. 1, 2. Dang it! I ruined the test. Fine, you can be part of the test. Now get your butt over there. There, now the test worked. And I didn't have an extra one. So it worked out. Thank you for being there, present. It's Smalley Cat. It's Somali Cat. Somali Cat. Alexa, how do you spell?
Sorry, can you repeat the word?
Never mind.
Canceling.
Alexa, what does SOMALI spell?
SOMALI spells Somali.
Yeah, I knew it. It was Somali. I guessed it right without even trying to guess. I don't know. I mean, kids are getting so expensive. Why is it $300 million to buy an exotic short-haired cat? Why is it $533 million to buy a Turkish van? Why is it even $1.25 million to buy a kitten? I mean, I get millions of dollars a second. Yeah, I get lots of money. Oh, yeah. What? Okay, I'll stop. Oh my god! I'm just messing with the computer thing. I want to press escape, but I don't know what it does. I want to take a picture. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? What is happening with my mouse? What is happening with my mouse? Oh my gosh. Guys? What's going on? I'm just gonna line this whole thing up with cursors. Why did I say hand? It's not a hand, it's a cursor. Line this thing up with cursors. find some coins. Welcome back. I was here the whole time. Well, let me do that again. Why does it do that? Can I do it down here? No. I don't want to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. If I can end it.